Hey, it's your Geli Mamma here, and I'm working with the fabulous Kiki London to show you how to create this gorgeous leopard print mani. So here are some of the products that you're going to need to prep your nail for a gel mani. If you don't know how to do this, I can leave a link to that either in the iCard or in the description box below. So these are the Kiki London polishes that I'm going to be using. So they are Chocolate Melt and Blackpool, and the ND061 is called Powder My Nose, and then you've got Rose Gold from their Platinum collection. So I'm going to be applying 2 nails with this Powder My Nose and 2 nails with the Rose Gold Platinum polish, and this is how I'm going to be applying them. And obviously you want to cure that into your lamp. And then I am literally just going to be putting on, it's kind of almost like curved splodges, and I'm using Chocolate Melt with this. You don't have to have them like perfect like dots. That's what's kind of cool about this, especially if you're starting out new with, trying out gel nail art designs. This is really, really simple, but like the end result is really striking. And then I'm going in with Blackpool, and again I'm just kind of doing like, I'd describe it as like cashew nut shapes around the dots. I did cure the Chocolate Melt beforehand as well, because obviously you don't want the two colours kind of merging together. So you can either put 2 or 3 around the dot, it's totally up to you. I think obviously it depends how close the other sort of brown splodge is. But yeah, but this is, I really do like this look, and it's like really easy to achieve as well, if you're doing gel nails at home. So you can see there how easy it is. Oh, actually I've just realised I've missed one. I'm just going to quickly fill that in. But like literally anybody could do this design. It is that simple to do. And I love designs like that. So I did add some little black dots in between the sort of cheetah print as well. And then I think this looks going to look better with the matte top coat. So I'm going to be using the Kiki London matte top coat, and I'm just going to be applying it to the nails that have this leopard print on. So it's kind of nice as well having that contrast between a matte finish and then obviously the platinum glossy finish. And this is the end look. I really hope that you like it, Jelly Babes. Please let me know in the comments box below if you would wear this mani. If you recreate it, me and Kiki London would love to see your recreation, so tag us in on Instagram. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you've not done so already, please press that free subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment as well. But until next time, take care. Bye.